Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial on NailPossible. In this video, we're going to make this half flowery design using reverse nail stamping. Let's apply our base coat. And we're going to apply a very light lilac as the base color. Add a second coat. And clean up the cuticles. We're going to apply some liquid latex so we don't have to clean up as much later. And wait for it to dry. We're going to use a flowery design from this plate with a purplish blue polish. This is the image we're going to pick up. And we're gonna fill in the flowers with two polishes. First, I'm gonna use a medium pink. And then this lilac. Once we're done, we stamp this on the upper half of the nail. Now that we've stamped all the nails, we're going to apply this purple holographic polish to the other half of the nail. I'm doing it very carefully so it's as straight as possible. Now, using one of the solid lines from this plate, we're going to cover where the image and the polish meet. From the three solid lines, we're going to use the one in the middle. Remove the other two from the stamper. And stamp in the middle. Remove the liquid latex. And clean up any residue left behind. Now just add a top coat. And our reverse stamped flowery design is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget you can give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!